what's up? I'm going to be doing a test on this gun. I haven't got a measuring thing, so I have to compare it to the strong arm and the reflex. So let's do this. Right, I'll cock it. As you can see, so far it's going. Oh, that went far. Okay, let's go get the bullet. Let's see if it goes as far as that. Okay. So, sit. What? Oh, I didn't do it properly. Right. 3, 2, 1. The reflex is a good gun, but I don't think it's good as the strong arm. Sadly, but yeah, I really do like the reflex. It does shoot a far way. Don't know why it's just doing that, but yeah, it's been great doing this, and it's been really fun making YouTube videos and stuff, and I'm gonna make more, so please subscribe, like and comment, share, and see you later. Bye.